In this video, I'll show you how you can add your bank account to your Webull account. Now to link your bank, here are the three options that you have. You can either do it from your Webull app, you can do it from your desktop app, or you can do it from the web page. Now the way that you can do it from the mobile app is you want to press on the Webull logo, go to transfers, link a bank account, choose ACH and real-time verification. Then simply search for your bank and enter the information and confirm when you want to link it. Now for the desktop version, you want to hover the icons on the left and click on account, deposit, ACH, account, real-time verification, and then do the same. For the web page, you want to click on your profile icon, deposit, ACH, account, and real-time verification. Then you just want to search for your bank and do the exact same. So that is basically how it works. Now you can do it from all three of these, and I believe you can only deposit money from these two. I'm not entirely sure, but you can definitely link your bank account from all three. Now I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.